Hi friends, today I will explain you important uh, activity in the bank. For example, if you go to a bank branch and you want to do a transactions, lot of times they'll say, okay, this transaction we can't do because this is not your home branch. And in some scenarios they'll say, okay, you can deposit only 50,000 because this is your non-home branch. So now today I'll tell you what is your home branch, what is his non-home branch. Where a customer opens a account, savings account or any account, and he maintains the account in the same branch, then that will be your home branch. For example, your account is there in Hyderabad, Banjara Hills branch. So Banjara Hills branch is your home branch, where your account is opened and maintained. Even if you get a transfer to Bombay, your account is not maintained in Banjara Hill branch, then your home branch always will be the Banjara Hills branch. If you want to transfer, you can transfer your account from Banjara Hills to Bombay, Vasai, Thane. Then your home branch will be changed. Otherwise, your home branch will be Banjara Hills only. Non-home branch, the facilities available to customers at the branches other than the home branch is called non-home branch. Other than Banjara Hills branch, if you go to any branch, that branch will be called as non-home branch. So today I'll explain you or take an example of non-home branch transactions, where non-home branch transactions, three categories are there. One is you can do a transaction with limit. Second, you can't do a transaction. Third, you can do a transaction without limit. All those things, for example purpose, I have taken some circulars. It may be changed from bank to bank, branch to bank, branch to branch, time to time. So only for the example purpose, I am showing this one. So now I'll show you three types of transaction. One, you can do a transactions with limit if you are going to non-home branch. So cash deposit, non-home branch, 2 lakhs per day you can deposit. You can see self of 50,000, no cash payment to third parties. For example, if you are going to non-home branch other than Banjara Hills branch and you give a payment to third party, means you are not going to the branch, you have sent somebody to collect the money or withdraw money, then it will not allowed. So some transactions are allowed, some transactions allowed with limit. No cash payment to third parties. So no cash payment to other than self, means my account is in Banjara Hills, then always I am the self for the account. Other than a customer, if is going, then it will be become a third party. So you have different limits. You can see deposit may submit 15H from home branch non-home. So you want to submit any fee 15H 15G form, then you can go to home branch or non-home branch. So all RTGS transactions you can do it from home branch only, but you can do it from your internet and mobile banking. Next list I'll show you where you can do these transactions without any restrictions. Non-home branch you can do it. Correction of cash deposit, deposit account, change of term deposit details in the deposit account. Yes, you can do it in non-home branch. Correction of cash withdrawal by voucher from a DPCC deposit account, CCOD overdue accounts. Yes, you can do. Print your universal passbook from any non-home branch. You can your passbook can be printed. Standing order, standing instructions to your deposit account, from your savings account to deposit or deposit account to savings, or your OD account to savings, savings account to OD. Any standing instructions you can do it in non-home branch also. Outward clearing check deposit. So you are in a Bombay or you in Delhi, you got a check, you can deposit it in your account. You can go to any non-home branch, you can deposit your account. Third list I'll show you, these restricted, you can't do it these transactions from non-home branch. Okay, for example, TDS details. You want to know the TDS details for your deposit, which is not possible in non-home branch, but these circulars will be changed from bank to bank. Issue of duplicate certificate, reissue of duplicate certificate will be available only in home branch. In non-home branch, all the list you can see on the screen, which will not be entertained in the non-home branch. You can see cash closure of deposit account. You can do it from your home branch only. Your PPF account is matured, you want to close it, you can go to home branch only. Non-home branch you can't do it. Any duplicate issue, checkbook, any deposit duplicate receipt, anything, you can go to home branch only. Now you know what is difference between home branch and non-home branch. Now you know the limits. Now you know the transactions restricted in non-home branch, and now you know like what transaction you can do it from home branch and non-home branch also. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.